Hi, this is Javon Pera, and I'd like to invite you to The Choice. It's a 4-month journey, just meeting once a month, but it's the fast way to ascend and play in this game of being human. If you like my microphone, pretty fancy. It's usually a headset. But please come. I think it's going to be really great. We're going to be meeting at the Unity Church in Tustin, California, and we're starting on January 18th, I believe, January 19th, the Thursday coming up. And we're going to be meeting every month in person, and then we'll have virtual meetings in between weekly. And so starting this Thursday, January 19th at the Unity Tustin Church. And this is really about discovering your destiny, which is a pretty big thing to say, but it's actually simple to discover your destiny, because the thing about it is your destiny is always coming to you. It's coming to you all the time, and we just miss it. And so all we need to do is tune into the faculties that we already have, that as well, so that we can experience these parts of ourselves in new ways, or experience them at all. And similar to tuning a radio station. It's not hard to tune the radio station. All you got to know is, first of all, there's another station to tune to, but also you need to know where the tuner is. So we're going to be practicing different methods of tuning your faculties that you have, that you know, and those that you don't know you have. And the methods we're going to be using, I have dubbed the FAST way. And it's an acronym. It means F is for forgiveness, A is for acceptance, and S and T is for service without trades, loving service without bartering kind of thing. So your experience in life comes from adjusting these little concepts. Example, I was at the gym and I'm trying to get my fitness on. And I met this guy named Harry, super cool guy. He ends up being a surgeon, works his whole life, really successful. And I was telling him about my life and how, working at this finance company, going home to be with my family, and I feel stressed a lot. And often I get frustrated with my kids because they don't do what I say. And I tell him about all the stuff I do. And he said, "Man, you have such an exciting life. I feel like my life's a little boring. Your life is so exciting. I wish I had your life." And I looked at my life through Harry's eyes, and I got a whole new perspective, a whole new experience of my life in that moment. And it was wonderful. I actually went home and had the best time with my kids, just playing with them instead of trying to push them into bed and trying to do the bedtime story so it can be over, and all these normal things that I do. And I robbing myself of the joy and the fun of what I had right there. That night was different. Why? Just because of a shift in a concept, shift in an idea that I had about this thing that was right in front of me. So those are the simple things that we're going to be doing, using some tools, just like Harry gave me a tool to think about something differently. And there'll be different concepts that we're going to go over and use throughout the whole 4 months and practice it in life, such as participation equals value. We're going to go into what really forgiveness and acceptance and service without trades is, and how those tools can help us be happy, help us to have fun right now. We're going to go into what the law of one is, the blessing of the catalyst, or all the things we consider as bad, the stuff that we don't want and maybe push away the most, might be the greatest blessing that we have. The veil of forgetting, how to ascend, what ascension is, all these kind of things. And the outcome that I'm offering is happiness. Be happy now. And you find yourself, when you use these tools in a clear space, and clarity, and letting go of the baggage of all these disturbing thoughts that we have, leads to a natural experience of happiness. That's just what happens. So we be happy with who we are, with how things are, happy with who you are or they are, and how those things are. And it is wonderful. And it ends up giving me the opportunity to have fun. Just doing stuff because it's fun. So January 19th, you can message me, email me, message Unity Church. let them know you're coming. It'd be good to have a head count. We start January 19th at the church, and now I'm pretty sure there's going to be an online option as well. So I hope you can make it.